Alright, so I'm getting ready to cut out these shapes. And let's see. I am working on my XTool S1, and here's my settings. Now let's go over to the machine and get to cutting. All right, the first set is done. Let's see what's going on in here. There we go. See if you can see them. Get these out of here. Good clean cuts. Alright, very good. Oh, let's get this one. 2 passes just to make sure. I'm gonna get all of these out of here and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright, so here's the earrings as they were cut. And of course in the next clips we will be actually working with them, and each earring shape I've created has the interior piece that you can actually use to make another pair of earrings. See how messy that glitter was? But that's all right. Just a little bit of behind the scenes. Oh, these are gonna be fun. So I wanted to show you guys something that I did pretty messed up. So I did these on 2 passes. There's a couple of things happening with this. So when I laid the fabric down onto the wood, I overlapped it, but I didn't overlap on the glue. So here's one thing that can happen. Not a bad thing, can be fixed. All I have to do is put some glue on there. But one of the other things I did with my settings is I had it set for 2 passes. 2 problems with that. One, it gets too hot and it will char the fabric. It's not showing that well on here because it's darker color fabric. But another thing is the gel melts and then causes the heat to stay longer on. Look at that. I don't know if you can see just how messed up that is. Let me see if I can get you in closer. So see the charring and the burning right there? This is a fail. And where the glue was or the gel was, it melted through down. So yeah, made an error on my settings, but I also noticed that the glue or gel, I keep calling it glue, the gel itself, it just gets too hot and it melts. So I don't think I'll be using, actually this is the foil sheet that I used, but the gel was under it. And I don't think I'll be using this gel, not before I laser. So I just want to show you guys that the pros, the cons, the goods, the bads, all of it. Okay, so, but we got some good stuff coming. Just hang in there with me, okay? These are the silver ones that I did in the top next to the gold. So I'm liking these. And they didn't burn too bad. So some of these were fails because I think I had too much of the gel for the heat of the laser. But these I picked out as the best ones. I still have to do some refining, cleaning on here, just because I want to make sure that the glue situation that I just showed you in the previous pairs is not an issue on any of these. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for, let's see, do we have any potentials? I see some potentials here. We'll see. If you have a laser, I'm showing this because if you have a laser, or if you want to get one, these are the things that we as laser owners, we find out, right? So this is my first time using this medium, and I think it's a great tool. I just think that I need to use it after I cut my shapes out, or maybe not make it as thick. I don't know. So testing. All right, hang in there with me. We're gonna get to the finished product. Just want to show the good, the bad, and the ugly, and the pretty. I like these. Look at that. That silver looks good. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I did this one. Let's see how they came out. One pass. Very good, very good. Nice and clean cuts. All right, let me get these to the table and we'll see how they did. All right, let's see what these gold and black ones look like. I think these are gonna be the favorites. Let's see. Yes, I'm loving these. Look at that. And that's with no coating on it yet. Okay, so we got that. Let's see. That is just under 2 inches, maybe 1.75 inches long. Look at those. I like those too. All right, and y'all know, I think I mentioned it already, that I always put the insides. So you really could have these as 2 pairs of earrings. When you get the blanks, if you get these blanks, you really could sell these as a 2-pair set. So we have those. Look at these. Yep, the gold is the winner, and that stencil and this gold foil. I'm gonna do this again in all the other colors. Here's the insides for this. These are beautiful. I'm very happy. Here's the insides for those. And then here's the insides for those. So that's the gold and black. These are gonna look beautiful with some resin on them. I'm definitely going to finish these for sure. And I'm gonna show you, I don't know, we may have more than 3 parts to this tutorial. But right now, this is what the gold and black looks like. And I guess we will have a part 4. So part 3 was me cutting them out and showing you what they look like up until this point. Part 4 is going to be us then really finishing them. All right, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in part 4.